Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to change Facebook from public to private. Here are the steps to change your Facebook account from public to private on Android. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Scroll to the Audience and Visibility section. Tap How People Find and Contact You. Under Who Can See Your Friends list, tap and choose Only Me for full privacy. Tap Who Can Look You Up using your phone number or email address and set it to Friends or Only Me. And then tap Save. Tap Do You Want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile and toggle off. Now go back, tap Posts. Under Who Can See Your Future Posts, tap it and select Friends instead of Public. And tap Save. Tap View and Limit Past Post. Then tap Limit Past Post to make all your previous public posts visible only to your friends. Go back and tap Profile and Tagging Settings. Change who can post on your profile and change it Friends or Only Me. Tap Save. Then tap Who Can See posts you're tagged in to Friends or Only Me. And tap Save. Review all privacy options to ensure your profile, posts, and contact info are set to Friends or Only Me for maximum privacy. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.